Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on both the device you control and the forgotten peripheral. This wakes radios and clears transient states. Once done, move them close, about 3 to 10 meters, so signal strength is good and interference drops. Next, open Bluetooth settings and remove or forget the old pairing entry. This prevents legacy keys from blocking a new handshake. Make sure both devices have at least 20% battery, so they won't power down mid-process. You now force a fresh discovery. Put the forgotten peripheral into its pairing or discovery mode. LED flashes or a spoken cue usually indicate success. Once visible on your host, select the device and confirm any presented PIN or code. This completes the key exchange. If prompted, try common PINs like 0000 or 1234, or consult the device label for a specific code. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry discovery. You finish by confirming the connection works. Play audio, press controls, or send data so you know the link is reliable. If you see instability, reboot both devices to clear caches and repair. That often fixes timing or profile negotiation issues. When problems persist, reset the peripheral to factory pairing mode or update firmware and host drivers to remove compatibility bugs. One key tip: if nothing pairs, perform a Bluetooth stack reset on the host before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.